Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to scan a document on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. Once opened, click on the edit button at the bottom right. Then, click on the clip icon. Then it should say scan document or scan text. Now, to scan text or document, select the option here. In this case, let's go with scan documents. Then it should say this, open your camera. Then go ahead and position the document in view. You can set this to auto or manual so that you can use the shutter button yourself. And then your phone will be able to take or scan the document manually or automatically. And once you've scanned the document, go ahead and click on keep scan. And that's it. So that's exactly how to scan document on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.